So for me, this is my biggest acting role to date, especially in New York City. And then to do it in another language, it really added to the pressure. But I'd like to emphasize that your mind is kind of the center of everything. If you can think it, you can do it. It's just getting in that right mental space to get there. And that's what really got me through this process. Taking on this large acting role with solo singing and solo dancing, it was a large undertaking, but it was almost a meditation of sorts, having to talk myself into a certain place to get me there. And I continue to do that every day because you can't let it slide. When you let it slide, your fears start to set in, those roadblocks you set up for yourself, like I mentioned before. And that's been my entire experience with this show, in addition to countless other things. Like, it's impossible to narrow this down to just one. But that would be it for me. As a career, as just like a living human being, navigating the nooks and crannies of my mind and getting out of my head.